Okay, you have to check this thing out. If you follow me or my pages, you know I love Kedsum moving products, and as a full-time realtor and someone who frequently has to move heavy equipment and packages, both for work and around the house, I was genuinely impressed by this 3-in-1 dolly cart. And look, I'm on wood floors here with a heavy oven, and it's not leaving any scratches or marks. What stood out to me first is how quickly and easily it transforms between a 2-wheel upright cart, just like your regular hand dolly or hand truck, into a 6-wheel platform dolly. You don't need any tools. It's just a smooth few second switch. And the feature came in handy when I had to move both tall boxes and heavier, wider items. This dolly can handle a serious load though. I tested it with a few bulky items from around my house, over 300 pounds, and it felt solid and steady the entire time. It's rated for up to 600, but I didn't take it that far. But based on how it performed, I believe that it's definitely up to the task. I appreciated the smooth motion of the wheels, especially the larger rubber ones. They are 7 inches tall. The handle adjusts from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, which made it easier to maneuver depending on the terrain or the item size. The brake wheels were a great touch too, helped me keep the cart in place while loading and unloading. It folds down surprisingly small, roughly the size of a carry-on suitcase. It can fit in your car, it fits in the trunk of my SUV without taking up too much room, and it's quite portable for a dolly that can do this much. So far, I've just used it around the house and outside, but whether you're moving boxes, tools, supplies, in the garden, in the warehouse, or at the office, wherever, this cart adapts really well to those different environments, and you can see here that I'm using it over a few different terrains. If you're in the market for something like this, give it a shot. It really is durable, multifunctional, and need I say space saving. It can fold up so small. It's only 19 pounds. And again, Kedsum makes a really great product, whether for moving boxes or just utility carts. It's made a real difference in how I tackle my heavy lifting and transporting different tasks. So give it a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.